In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-embedded video links when pasting in OneNote. If you've ever pasted a video link into OneNote and noticed that it automatically turns into an embedded preview, this quick setting change can help. Disabling that behavior can make your notes look cleaner, load faster, and stay more focused, especially if you prefer to keep links simple instead of showing extra online content inside the page. To get started, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're using the desktop version of OneNote, since this setting is found within the app's account and privacy options. Once your notebook is open, give it a moment to fully load so you can easily access the menu options without interruption. Next, go to the top left area of the window and click File. This will open the main Backstage menu where OneNote stores account, settings, and other app-level controls. From there, select Account. This section includes information about your OneNote setup, connected services, and privacy-related options. Once you're on the account page, look for the area called Account Privacy. In that section, click Manage Settings. This will open a privacy settings window where you can control how OneNote interacts with online content and connected experiences. If you don't see it immediately, just scan the page carefully, since the placement can vary a little depending on your version of OneNote. Inside the settings window, find the section labeled Experiences that download online content. This is the setting that controls whether OneNote automatically pulls in content from the web, such as rich previews or embedded media from pasted links. That's the feature responsible for turning some video URLs into embedded players or previews inside your notes. When you find that section, uncheck the box and then click OK to save the change. Once that setting is turned off, OneNote should stop automatically embedding supported video links when you paste them into your notebook. Instead, the links will remain more straightforward, which is useful if you want a simpler layout or more control over how your notes appear. After saving the setting, you can test it by pasting a video link into a note and checking whether it stays as a normal link. If it does, then the change was successful. And that's it. You've now disabled auto-embedded video links in OneNote, making your note-taking experience a little cleaner and more predictable.